Stop typing and get back to communicating with Quick Parts in Outlook 2016. Quick Parts are blocks of content you can save and reuse in future messages. All you need to do to create a quick part is highlight the reusable content. Go to the Insert tab, click Quick Parts, and save your selection to the gallery. Now just add a title, a description, and choose how the content should be formatted when you add it to your messages. Click OK to finish. Once the content is saved, you can insert it into any outgoing message just by selecting from the Quick Parts gallery. You can even choose where you want the content inserted. Editing a quick part is easy. Just right-click it and choose the option you want. With Quick Parts in Outlook 2016, you'll save time and never have to recreate content again.